Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy blessed Monday that we are all blessed to wake up to today. Yes, a brand new week for us all. God blessed us to wake up and start a whole new week. Thank you. Good morning, rise and shine, rise and grind. Let me share this post. I'm coming. We are about to cut the soap that we made yesterday, the Kai soap. We are cutting the Kai soap. So good morning, everybody. Let's cut this beautiful soap. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see what the inside look like. Let me get some gloves. Some gloves. Good morning, everyone. Yes, so we are going to cut the soap that we made yesterday on live, the Kai soap, and it smells so good. Okay, this is the soap. Before we cut it, look at how pretty the colors are, y'all. Remember, we put the glitter on top. We used the Twilight Blue by Matte Micas. We used the Light Shimmering Gold by Crafter's Choice. And we used the Bronze Brown by Small Tongue. Small Tongue mica is available on Amazon. And it's a really good mica. Some micas you buy on Amazon, not too good. But this one, Small Tongue brand, is a good mica. So, step to the paper. Let's cut this beauty. Again, this is the Kai soap. Let me cut a sample piece off. I always forget to cut the sample piece, so let's cut this sample piece. This is the sample piece. Look at them beautiful swirls. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so let's cut. Again, y'all know my bars are huge. I give my customers their money's worth. I play no games. So here's the first cut of the Kai soap. Oh, look how pretty. Should I cut the edge off and make it? Let's see. I'm going to try one. Because I be going crazy with the piping. So let's see. I can level it. Level it out. So this symmetrical. Alright, y'all. Here we go. The Kai soap. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at the beautiful. Let me turn this light down so y'all can see. Look at the beautiful piping on top. Look at the beautiful blue. And look at what color the bronze turned. It's better than what. Remember, the bronze was brown, but the color is morphing into this beautiful grayish brown looking color. I like it. I like it. Let's do the second cut. Big, huge bars. Big, huge bars. We're going to trim this up because I like my soaps to be symmetrical. I'll be going crazy with the piping, y'all. But that's alright because everything is fixable. And here we go. This is Kai. Oh, it smells so good. I think I'm going to keep a bar of this for myself. Kai, y'all. Kai. Kai. That's what this soap is. And it is a smell of, it has a musky smell and a perfume smell, and it has a lot of floral hints. It smells so good. Because remember yesterday I was scared because of the floral that the soap would seize or trace super fast, but it didn't. It was a well-behaved fragrance. Very well behaved. Worked out great. And the soap is beautiful. I am so pleased with how it turned out. And what I'm doing now, I'm just cleaning up the sides and evening out the piping so that the bar is symmetrical. But look at how beautiful, y'all. This is Kai. Look at the beautiful topping. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. I am so pleased with how it turned out, y'all. Man, I can't wait to this bar cure. I'm going to keep a bar for myself and use it. I love the smell. I love the look of it. It is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So beautiful. Came out way better than what I expected it to. This is the next cut. Look how beautiful, y'all. This is Kai. Look at all that beautiful blue in here. Kai soap. This is not a unisex bar. This is a woman's bar because I don't think men want to smell like flowers and perfume. But this scent is amazing, y'all. It got this whole area lit up, smelling good. Y'all, if y'all can smell my house when I make soap. This is the next cut. Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. Oh, I am so pleased. It came out so good. So the extra pieces that I'm cutting off, I have a big Tupperware bin that I throw all my scraps in. And I sent them to my other soaping friend, Pamela Cummins, and she read that. So she take the scraps and she make a whole nother soap with them. Me, I don't be feeling like doing all that. So I send them to my friend and she do her business. She do her business. But look at how pretty this is, y'all. Again, I have big, thick bars. My bars weigh between 10.5 to 11 ounces. So you get your money's worth. It lasts you a long time. But look how beautiful these bars are, y'all. These gonna sell out locally. So y'all, I'm telling you, my local people, they buy me out of everything, y'all. Body butters. Let me see some comments. Stacy, hey Stacy, thank you. Hey Pam, good morning, y'all. Yeah, the bronze turned gray. So I'm thinking that after it cures, it's going to turn back to its natural color. But in all actuality, I like the gray. I think it turned out great. I like the gray. I'm kind of going to be disappointed if it turned back brown. You know what I'm saying? Some micas, when you mix it with the lye water, the color morphs, and then after the soap cures, the color turns back to its natural color. But I kind of want it to stay this color. I like this. I'm going to be disappointed if it turned brown, y'all. For real. I am so pleased with this soap. Yes. I think it turned out beautiful. And it smells amazing, man. Oh, my God. It smells so good. I'm going to have to control myself when I do my piping. Y'all be seeing me, I be going crazy with that piping. because my edge, I want my soap to be symmetrical and even, so I'm cutting off the sides that's hanging off. But look at this, y'all. Ain't this beautiful? Man, I'm just so shocked and amazed how pretty it came out. The gray looks good. I know, it looked better than the brown that I had planned, right? See, soaping, you never know what's going to happen when you soap. You have a plan, but sometimes things turn out another way. Sometimes things go another way, and we just rock with it. And I am very pleased, man. Look at this. This is the last cut, y'all. This is awesome. This is the Kai soap. This is Kai. And my bars are $12, but look at how huge my bars are, though. This bar lasts me about 4 to 6 months. I take a bath every night, and I use my mesh ball. See, when you use towels use more soap and give you less lather. When you use a mesh ball, it uses less soap and give you more lather and bubbles. So I use my mesh balls, and my soap lasts me months. But look at how pretty these bars are, y'all. And I got 2 sample bars. I'm going to keep this one in my bathroom to wash my hands with. And this one going to be for the customers to smell. I always keep a piece and put it in a little 4x6 Ziploc bag, so the customers can open the Ziploc bag and smell this instead of picking up the soaps and sniffing all over them, you know, for sanitary reasons. Yes, y'all. So, Pam, I'm throwing this in your bucket. All these end pieces. Let me grab your bucket. Let me grab your bucket so I can throw your end pieces in here. Your bucket is getting some weight to it. It's getting some weight to it, Pam. Look at that. I'm throwing your pieces in your bucket. Yes. I am so pleased with this soap, y'all. It came out so pretty. This is your scrap bucket. It's getting some weight to it. So let me move this so y'all can get a good look at the soap. I'm going to move the camera around so y'all can see. Clean up my little area. And I'm going to turn this camera around so y'all can get a good look at it. Alright, y'all, that is Kai. That is the Kai soap. Oh, I am so happy with how it turned out. It smells so beautiful. Oh, look at it, y'all. Look at that Kai soap. Ain't that beautiful? Ain't that beautiful? Oh, my goodness. I am so pleased with how that turned out. Look at it. Oh, that is a gorgeous soap. Look at the tops. It looks like royalty, y'all. Oh, let y'all see my ugly face this morning. Ooh, I am so pleased. I am so happy. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Another day that the Lord has given us today. Thank y'all for joining me this morning. I pray everyone's safety and health, and for y'all to have a blessed work day today. And man, another week. Can y'all believe this year is almost over? Thanksgiving coming up, and then next month is Christmas, and then we're going to be in 2023, y'all. Ooh. Time is going by so fast, especially when you're working and you're busy and you're taking care of your family. It's just, woo, I hope y'all are taking time out for yourselves also. So, thank y'all for joining my live. That is the Kai soap that we made yesterday, and it had a little surprise for us. The brown turned this beautiful gray color, and I am so pleased with it. I am. I'm going to be disappointed if it turns back brown, because with mica powder, some mica powders morph to another color, but then when the soap cures, it turns back to the original color that it's supposed to be. So if it turns back brown, I'm going to be so disappointed, because I am so pleased with what the color looks like now, y'all. Oh my goodness. So thank y'all for joining me. Y'all have a very blessed day. I pray God encamp his angels around y'all and protect y'all from sickness, harm, death, evil, and violence. I pray that no evil thought, plan, action, or prayer prosper against you, and that you have a very prosperous and blessed day. And y'all follow my page, like and share this post. I have great deals. Purchase some soap. My soaps are all natural, organic soap with all natural oils, no chemicals, no alcohol. It's great for people with sensitive skin, people who suffer with skin inflictions like eczema, psoriasis, dry patches, people with normal skin. The reason this soap works so well is because it has absolutely no chemicals or no alcohol in it. It is soap in its purest form. You get totally moisturized. So when you use this soap, you don't even have to use lotion afterwards. You can tell the difference when you use this soap versus when you use something that's store-bought. And body butters, I have great body butters. Since it's a new week and the old sale played out, I'm gonna instate a new sale today. So when you buy 2 soaps, you get a body butter free. Buy 2 soaps. The sale starts today and it ends Friday night. Buy 2 soaps and get a body butter free. So don't miss out on this sale. I'm going to post it on the page today. Buy 2 soaps and get a body butter free. And you can look through the page and see all the different soaps to decide what soap you want. The body butters are going to be Caribbean Teakwood, Arabian Nights, and Blood Orange and Goji. That's what the body butter is going to be. So y'all hit me up. This is Tanya from Jabel. A lot of people be saying, I don't know how to pronounce your business name. It's Jabel Soaps. Jabel Soaps. Jabel is French for beautiful eyes. So I'm Cajun. I'm from Louisiana, so I wanted a French name. Jabel Soaps, and this is Tanya, and I'm signing out, and y'all have a very blessed day.